How to find nearby people or a user on Instagram. For that, first of all, launch your Instagram application and then make sure that you have logged into your account. Then, on the searching bar, search for a place where you are currently living. Then, on the top, you will see places option. Simply go through it. Now, choose a location. Now from here you have to randomly search for that particular person and go through their profile. You can see there are a lot of users, so this is totally hit and trial option. You can try. In this way you can find out a user. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.